Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly resize a frame along with its content inside Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your frames larger or smaller without leaving your images or elements behind. Super handy for keeping your designs organized and pixel perfect. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, open up your Figma project and look for the frame you want to resize. It might be an artboard, a section, or any frame that has images or other elements inside. Go over to the Layers panel, you'll usually see it on the left-hand side, and click on the name of your frame to select it. This highlights the entire frame, not just one object, which is really important. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally click only on an image or text box inside the frame, so make sure the whole frame is actually selected here. Now, you might try dragging one of the edges or corners of the frame to resize it, expecting everything inside to magically scale along with it. But if you've ever tried this, you'll probably notice something frustrating. Only the frame gets bigger or smaller, your image just stays put or remains exactly the same size, throwing off your whole design. That's because by default, Figma resizes the frame independently from its content. To make everything scale together, we need to use a special tool designed for this purpose. Here, where the Scaled tool comes into play. To access it, look down near the center at the very bottom of your Figma interface. There's a little icon with two arrows stretching diagonally. That's the Scale tool. It's not always super obvious, but once you spot it, you'll know where it is next time. Or if you like keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press the letter K on your keyboard to activate the Scale tool in an instant. It's a great shortcut to remember. With the Scale tool active, your cursor will change a bit, letting you know you're in the right mode. Now go ahead and click directly on your frame one more time. Make sure again you've got the entire frame selected, not just a single image or shape inside. Here's the cool part. Start dragging any of the frame's edges or corners to resize. As you do this, you'll see not only the frame growing or shrinking, but every image, icon, or bit of text inside is also scaling perfectly in sync. It's almost like shrinking or enlarging a group photo. Every element keeps their proportion and position, making your design stay harmonious. If it feels a bit slow at first, don't worry, scaling lots of content can take a moment, especially with very image-heavy frames. Take your time and let Figma catch up if you're working on a big project. And if things don't look right, undo and try again to make sure you had the right tool and frame selected. This method keeps your workflow streamlined and prevents the hassle of realigning or manually resizing each element inside your frame. It's a small trick, but it can seriously save you time and keep your designs looking polished and professional. So that's it, now you know how to resize a frame along with all its content inside Figma using the Scale tool. If this tip helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Got any questions or another Figma feature you want to learn? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.